Hi guys, this is Tony with Isoratec. Our CRM was built based on over 20 years of healthcare experience. It is designed to help you manage your sales force efficiently and to store the data safely all in one place with Amazon Web Services. The workflow is straightforward. You start by adding a contact, you assign it to a sales rep, then you turn it into a lead. Let's start by adding a contact. I will add an agency that I will call Home Care WI. My contact there will be Lynn Tucker. I will then assign TJO, our sales rep, to follow up with Lynn. Automatically, a task will be created for TJO. Let's look at TJO's task in calendar mode. So TJO calls Lynn and enters the outcome of the call by typing, say, all went well. He then chooses to create a follow-up task, which will be created by default a week from that date. He writes a note to bring brochures the next time he goes there. Then he enters the likelihood of closing the sale, 80% in this case. A task is now created here for TJO to follow up on this contact. This calendar is very useful because it gives you a global view on the activities of all sales reps monthly, weekly, or even on a daily basis. When sales start to trickle in, you enter them in the sales module. You can then go to the leads module and see, for instance, TJO's work in terms of leads, overdue tasks, global view, and the sales that he brought in. Talking about sales, by going to the reports section, you can see in one report all sales by all sales reps, which lets you compare their performance. You can see that Pedro brought in 3 cases in September, dropping to 1 in October, which is why it turned yellow. Finally, comes. We hope that you enjoyed the demo and thank you for your time.